Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I'll be talking about dry shampoo, and I will also be doing a quick demo. So what is dry shampoo? Dry shampoo is a cleaning agent for your hair and scalp, but when we're talking about locks, I would prefer that this only be used on the scalp, if at all, on the scalp and not the locks. And also it should not be used as a washing substitute. It should be used as something that you do to put off washing a little bit more. So for instance, if I'm due for a wash on Friday, but Friday I'm busy, I don't have time to wash my hair for the whole weekend, then maybe dry shampoo might be a great option for you until you're able to wash it on Saturday. Before I get into the video, I want to let you know that everyone who shops today until the end of August, all you have to do is spend $25 or more on my shop and you get $100 worth of coupons. Yes, you get a coupon bundle worth $100 that you can use at your will. You don't have to wait until I'm running a sale, but you can only get the $100 coupons if you order today until the end of the month, all right? But by no means is this supposed to be a washing substitute, because dry shampoo is still a product that you're putting on or in your hair. And while you are using a washcloth to remove a lot of the products and whatever buildup is on your scalp, you're not removing it completely because you're not washing it, you're not rinsing it. So think of it like when you use hand sanitizer. Your hands feel a lot cleaner when you actually go under the faucet with soap and water, right? If your hands have been in mud and then you add some hand sanitizer to it, are you cleaning your hands? No. So dry shampoo is a temporary quick fix to hold you over, but it's not a replacement. So I'm familiar with dry shampoos in a mist form, in a gel form, and in a powder form, like a spray powder form. Now the spray powder form, as far as I understand, that's best for people with straighter, wavier hair, like white people, like Asian people, because those hair types tend to get oily and greasier naturally. So the powder helps to absorb that grease and oil, and that's their dry shampoo. However, when it comes to people with kinkier, coilier, and curlier hair, I would recommend the gel version or the mist version. So I have this dry shampoo by ORS. It's liquidy, but it's still a gel. As you can see, it's not running down my arm, right? So it'll cause minimal buildup, right? And just doing that on my palm, I can feel an intense cooling sensation, which is going to be really refreshing for your scalp when you use it on your scalp. So I'm going to go ahead and get a warm washcloth. So now I'm applying the dry shampoo to my scalp and rubbing it in. And I thought that it would be easiest to just apply it all over my scalp as much as I can reach at one time. And then with my damp, warm washcloth, I go in and I rub my scalp. And as you can see, there is coming up. And that was just makeup. That was my contour. Okay, so that felt really good. I want to rinse this out and go on with another round of scalp massaging because that felt really good. It felt really refreshing. And truthfully, the reason why it feels refreshing, I believe, is that alcohol content. Another reason why this is not something you want to do very often. This is something that you do to hold you over until when you can wash it. For those of you starting locks and you are concerned about washing your hair, I have a video for you. But again, I want to emphasize the fact that I do not want you to do this instead of washing. No. I don't want to hear about you using dry shampoo once a month in place of washing, because you have starter locks, wash your starter locks. Check out that video and you'll see how I recommend doing so. My hair is in braids, so that did really, I think this really helps me to like maneuver my roots, because the braids, and you can see like I still have my little curls on the ends from my pinwheel style that Keisha gave me. Isn't that cute? Alright, I'm gonna get out of here and do round 2. Let me know in the comments below if you use dry shampoo. If you have any tips on using dry shampoo, leave them down below. Let's all help each other as a community that we are. And heads up, now until the end of the month, everyone who places an order of $25 or more on KeishaCharmaine.com gets $100 in coupons with your order. That's $100 for you to use at your will. You don't have to just wait until I have a sale on a certain product. If you have your eye on certain product, you can get it discounted with your coupons and you'll get $100 worth. But that's only if you order now until the end of August, all right? Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.